So welcome on board Falken of Åhus again. Today is a short video and it's a special reason. Just give me a couple of seconds. So now we are doing the last preparations with stores and bunkers, carrying food and all that, and put it in the right place on board. Yeah, maybe we go tomorrow, so it's pretty close now. But today's video is more about introduction of a school class. I have a good friend, he's called Bengt, and he's a teacher for class 4 in Fjälkestadsskola, who is about 10 kilometers north of Kristianstad, who is just some 15-20 kilometers north of Åhus. So in northeast of Skåne is the class going to school. And Bengt knows, the teacher, he knows me, and he knows that I have a lot of things to learn. So he put the whole class to my disposal. So now I have 28 young students, 10 years of age or a little bit more, who can assist me in all my kind of questions. And I want to know a lot of things. I want to know about the sun and the moon and the earth. I want to know things about the ocean. I want to know about what lives in the ocean. And yeah, there will be no end of my questions. So in the end of each episode, I will put 1, 2, maybe 3 questions for the class to give to me the answer. Yes, thank you for that in advance. So I took an earth globe with me. I told you in last episode I like to look in sea charts and maps over the earth, and earth globe is also very fun. And when I see it here, see the earth globe, I was thinking of one question. We are closing into summer in the northern hemisphere in Sweden now, and it's kind of always bright. The sun is up as we speak, more and more, and in June it's very much bright, both in early mornings and late evenings. And actually further up north you go, the more light it is. And there is a line, when you pass that one, it's the sun doesn't go down. And then I was thinking, in the winter, in December perhaps, it's quite dark here up in the north, in Sweden and further north. Super dark. The sun is just up a couple of hours. So that started me thinking, how is that? Why is that? So that's question 1 for you, my class. Why is it dark in winter time, in northern hemisphere, and why is it bright in the summertime? So that's something I would like you to explain to me, so I can understand that. Thank you for that, and see you in a short while again in the next video. Thank you for that.